So today I'm starting the vlog while I'm going to work. So I'm not going to work for work. I know this sounds really weird, but we have a potluck at work for Christmas. So before Christmas we have potluck, and so I'm going for that. So first things first, I am going to pick up something from a store. I'm gonna, bring in from my side, which is one of the appetizer, right? And then after I pick that up, I will head to work and I'll show you what I do. I'm not gonna do anything in the car, and it's pretty far away, so it's just like me riding with myself. But today you guys are with me, so stay tuned in the video, please. Alright, so it's the store is pretty nearby from my home, but my work is in the opposite side, so like I have to cross my home again because I have to take the same route to go to the work, but yeah. Alright, so I just picked it up. I'm gonna quickly show you. Okay, now let's head to work. I'm very excited. I'm gonna see if I can take some clips from inside but if I do, I'll put in this video. I just got to work. Now let's head in. With so much stuff in my hands, I don't know how I'm gonna handle it, but I gotta do what I gotta do. So let's do it. I'm already tired. Hey everyone, so I wasn't able to record much in the potluck because when I went in there it was like so much going on that I couldn't record, and the things started happening real quick, so I was like, that's fine. So I didn't record anything, and so after some days I started recording again. And one thing I wanted to show you guys is my new camera. Not sure how fast I'm gonna be used to using the camera, but I'll try. Also, today I'm gonna be taking you to somewhere. I am going to do car cleaning, which is one of my likable activities to do to keep my car clean. I love cleaning my car and I love sitting in a clean car. It's due for a long time now, so let's get going for it and let's clean it. I will show you what I do at the cleaning place and how everything goes. Also, I have a couple things that I need to return to couple stores, so I will be doing that in the middle. Not sure if I'm gonna be doing that first or going to the car cleaning first. It all depends on my mood. Whenever I go out, it all depends on my mood. As I said, I do have a list of activities, it's just that I don't know when I'm gonna be doing it. So yep, so we'll return some stuff, we'll clean the car, and then we will come back home. It's so sunny outside, and that's the only reason why I'm going out, because it's so cold. Even though you think that it's sunny and it's going to be warm, it's not. It's cold outside. Look how dirty it is. So dirty. There's one more thing I bought, everyone, is this for my steering wheel, and I just love it. Now I don't have to worry about touching the cold steering wheel because now it's all wrapped in a fabric. Love, love, love it. Okay, so there are 2 locations I had to drop things off, and I'm at the first one, which is Kohl's. So let me go ahead and do that, and then after this I'm thinking that we're gonna go for a car cleaning, and then after finishing the cleaning we will go to another store, which is Walmart. I have one thing that I have to return there, so that's the plan. Also, I have an appointment with my windshield for tomorrow because I had a little crack and I did not pay attention to it, so now the crack is pretty big, so now the windshield has to be fixed. Let me show you what I'm talking about. That was the crack that I need to get fixed, and then it's going to be tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. So we'll see how much I can record, and if I do, then I will include that in this vlog, and so you'll be able to see if there's anything to record and if I record, okay? But yeah, let's get going with the returns, and then we will have to go and wash the car and we'll do another return. So let's get going. So many things is pending, so let's do it. Okay, I'm done with my first drop off. I go in the store and I don't look at something, and usually don't buy something that is unusual. Well, that can happen, but until now it didn't. So I came back with something from Sephora. Well, that something is fragrance. So that was my pending gift that I had to pick up, and so I received that. I am so happy. Now let's go to car cleaning for real. Sorry, I lied. The next location is not car wash. I spotted McDonald's in the way. So now I'm gonna pick something small to eat, and then I'm gonna go. I told myself I'm not hungry, but myself told me you are hungry. So I'm in the line, I'm in drive-thru. So I'm in the line. I'm gonna get a couple things, and then I'm gonna eat while I drive. That sounds so bad. I'll drive carefully while I eat. Much better. And then I will reach to our ultimate location, which is actually car wash, and then I'll meet you there, and then we'll record some stuff there, but stay tuned. Alright, I'm done eating. Now let's get started with the vacuuming. Now I'll be doing vacuuming, and then we will go and get the car washed from outside. Then I'll have to clean it with the dry cloth, just so that you know, those spots that you see after the water runs through anything, so we don't want to see that. So that's the only reason why we dry with the dry cloth. Alright, so let's get started with the vacuuming, and I will show you what I do. Somehow I have to fix this camera, but I'll show you. get started with that, and I'll show you what happens inside when my car is getting cleaned. Okay, now I will be entering inside, so now I have to make sure that all my glasses are closed. And so the water doesn't come inside, because it shouldn't. You have to have everything closed. So let me now show you the magic. Now let's dry our car real quick. That my car is now clean, inside out, outside in. Alright, I am so tired. It's pretty cold outside. I don't have gloves or nothing on. I can't feel my hands, but okay. Now let's go ahead and go to our next location where we have to return one thing, and then we will probably head home. And then if I need to, or if I can record something from tomorrow for this windshield crack thing, I'll put in this video. If not, then I'll probably end it here. I won't record the outro. I'm not sure. Actually, I may record it today since it's sunny outside. It looks so good. But if I don't today, then I'll record the outro probably tomorrow. Okay, I just finished the Walmart return. Now we will head home. Today's the next morning. I woke up like 30 minutes ago, and now I'm headed to my appointment, which I have for the windshield. So we'll see if I can record anything there or not, but that's where I'm going. So yeah. Alright, so I got my brand new windshield. Also the chimneys, the wipers and the blades, whatever. Yeah, it's all done. No more cracks. Hey guys, so I'm back from the windshield appointment. My windshield is all new now. Sorry, I'm always in the sunlight because we don't get much sunlight here in Michigan. So whenever there's sunlight, it all comes in our kitchen area. So I put a chair here and sit down, make myself comfortable, and sunbathe a little bit. But because I didn't take the ending of the video, I thought to do it now. So yeah, it was a random day, a random couple days in my life type of video. So I hope you liked, and if you did, then you know what you need to do. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Until that, please take care of yourself, and adios. Bye.